Hello friends, welcome to Excel beginners and advanced tips. In our last video, we saw how text formatting was done with VBA application, and today we will take it to little further. And today's task is number 1, formatting fields. In our last video, we did not format the field names, EMP code, name, address, contact, salary. These are the field names. And today we will try to format the field names as we formatted the heading, that is ABC Company Limited, in our last video. And our second task is to create a unformat module, and with this module we will unformat the formatted texts displayed at this moment. And our last and third task is to run both format and unformat module with 2 command buttons in a user form. Okay, let us do our first task, that is formatting fields. And to format the fields, we have to go to our developer tab, Visual Basic, and module option. And similarly, as we can see the last codes for module 1 for formatting ABC Company Limited, similarly we will type the modules. Hence we are copying it and paste here. Just we will change the cell address. Here A1 would be A2, and ABC Company, instead of ABC Company Limited, we will write the field name. The first field name was EMP code, EMP CODE, and here we need not select because no mark cell will be done. This option will be deleted, and every alignment will be center. Okay, A2 cell alignment will be Excel center, range name Arial, font name Arial, okay, and font size A2. Just trying to diminish the size to 12, okay, because the fields, this is the field and this is the heading. This was the heading. ABC Company Limited was the heading, and EMP code is a field of that heading. So just little lesser the size would be better. Hence the size is, I have given 12. And again going replacing A1 to A2, font bold, okay, true, and A2 font color VB green, because the heading is VB green. VB red was VB red. The heading ABC Company Limited was VB red, and the field will be blue colored. All fields will be blue colored. Similarly, we copy this section, and for our next field name, this will be changed as B2. Everything will be changed as B2. A2, instead of A2 we will type it B2. Same formatting. And EMP code not here, it will be EMP name. I can type name capital NAME, name, caps lock name. And next again copy for employee address, just change it employee address and change the cell reference C2, everything will be C2, 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 C2 and C2. Similarly for the next field VB blue, it should be better to VB green, not everything should be VB blue. It will look better. VB blue, VB BL V. It will look better. VB blue. Okay. And next, for the next field, again copy the section and paste. And for D2, everything will be D2, D2, C2 will be D2 here. For the next field, the field name will be contact number, EMP contact number, only contact number, contact number, so no, contact number. Okay, stop. And similarly for our last field, what was our last field? Contact salary. Okay, similarly we copy this section and paste below, and this will be E2, 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 and the field name will be salary, salary of employee or salary. So this is the first module, and here we will see the heading and field names and their formats. So before viewing this action, viewing its action, just delete everything and unmerge cell. Okay, now going to the module, going to run the module, and we press the run button or F5 here. So let's see what happens. Okay, then going to sheet 1, look at this sheet. ABC Company Limited, EMP code, name, address, contact number, salary, all has been formatted according to our codes. We can just diminish the size again to 10 for better view, 10 for the fields, 10 again, and we can change the font name in as Calibri or any other font we like in place of Arial. So let us type Calibri for the fields, CALIBRI. Just changing the font name, CALIBRI, for the fields, Calibri. Instead of Arial, I am typing Calibri. Just typing Calibri. Okay, let's run it again. Run complete, and now going to sheet 1. Let's see what happens. Yes, this has been formatted according to our codes, according to our module 1. So friends, our first task has been completed, and the second task is create a unformat module to unformat those headings and field names as they will go to their first position. Okay, let's create another module. Module 2. To unformat this, we have to copy the whole module of module 1 for quick creation of this module 2. Just changing its name, deformat. Okay, module deformat. Everything will be deformatted. And ABC, let's read out the codes. Sheet 1 dot range ABC component limited. Okay, this is fine. Sheet 1 dot range A1 to A1 select. We can select it or we can remove it. Don't need for selection. Okay, let's keep it as it is. Selection dot mark cell is instead of true we will write false. Okay, just reverse. The horizontal alignment Excel center, Excel left. Font name Arial, keep it as it is, and the font size instead of 18 a 1.8 we can type 110. A font bold instead of true, false. Is VB red, VB black. As you know, the first is color is automatically as black. Auto color is black when you run or type anything in Excel. And similarly, Excel center. Next for fields, Excel left, Calibri, Arial, or let it say as it is. Size 10. Okay, true instead of bold, true, false. VB blue, VB black. Just changing it, just reversing it. And name Excel center, Excel left, Calibri. Okay, font size 10. Okay, font bold, true instead of true we write false. And VB blue, VB black, VB BLSCK. In address, Excel center, Excel left, font name Calibri. Okay, 10, font bold, true, false. VB black color, BLSCK. And next for the another Excel left, Calibri. Okay, font size 10, font bold, false. VB blue, VB black. And for the last field, Excel left, Calibri. Okay, 12 instead of 12 we can write 10. It's true, false. VB green, VB black. Okay, just reversing everything what is formatted. Here in module 1 I am typing 10. Okay, so now we can see we have two modules. Module 1 name, modules means function. Module 1 name format cell data, and module 2 name is deformat. Okay, let's try to run the deformat option. Module 2. Okay, just run it. Let's see what happens. We can see everything has been unformatted. If we go to module 1 and run it again, let's see what happens. This is formatted. So our task 2 has been completed. Create a format module has been completed, and our final task is run both format and unformat module with 2 command buttons in a user form. So let's create a user form. Developer tab, Visual Basic, take a user form, just drag it for better view, and we take 2 command buttons. Command button 1, just copy with control and drag. Command button 2, and just change the caption. Just change the caption of first command button, that is format, and we can enhance the size of this caption, font for better view 16. Okay, and similarly just changing the caption unformat or deformat, and changing its font size 16. Here we have 2 command buttons within a user form, format and deformat. So we will run our module with these command buttons. So first format, double click on the format button and just call the function name. What was the name? Just copy it. Format cell. Call function name was format cell data for module 1. Similarly, for deformat command button, just double click here and call the module 2. Module 2 deformat. Okay, let's go and deformat. Just call, we have to call the function or module here. So let's run the user form. See what happens. If we click on deformat, let's see what happens. The text will be deformatted. All texts will be deformatted. All cells will be deformatted. Cells will be deformatted. And if we press format, everything will be formatted as per our codes in the modules. In the module 1, deformat, again click, going back to its first position as per module 2, and in the module 1 we have written the codes for formatting like this. Just click here and here. Is not it beautiful? Just click format and deformat to view the changing of the texts in the cells as per codes written in the modules. Format for first module and deformat for second module. Okay friends, our task have been completed, and wish you all the best, and hope that you will like this and subscribe this, and that will be a great boost for us to learn and share our knowledge of Excel VBA application. Thank you very much friends. Have a good day.